Next up, leave no man behind for Gunny. In this, we need to mark the location of the body after locating it. So we'll accept and get into this. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. Just keep in mind that you will need to open up your messages and grab yourself a tracker from the messages. You'll need to take this with, otherwise you won't be able to complete the quest. If you do bring this with, put it in your back pocket so that it doesn't get lost for safekeeping. Not that you can just buy another one, they're super cheap anyways. You'll make a note that it's not actually in the previous location up here. In fact, it's more towards the town center right here in this small little building next to it. So this part of the quest has moved in the next season. So we'll make our way towards this big building over here. Usually the safest way to come is landing at your third extract up here, then heading south or towards the town around the backside here, where it's usually generally quiet, and make your way towards the town hall here. We'll be heading to the far side. This is probably the easiest way to get in here and do it, although there are a couple of guards at the town hall, inside and outside. So we've discovered the town hall. We'll quickly clear it out before we get our way around the back, just so there's no surprises. So clearing this place out from an area of cover, we'll make our way towards this back building over here, or front building, I suppose. You'll find around the backside here, the body just sitting here. All we need to do is mark them using our tracker, and once we've done that, we can head back to base as we've pretty much finished this mission. Handing in Leave No Man Behind, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.